What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing of something I've actually been looking forward to for a while, and that is my Herman Miller, their Sayl chair, S-A-Y-L. Basically, Herman Miller has been known to produce some of the better, more comfortable, well-built chairs out there. They come with 12-year warranties, at least this one did. The problem is they're very expensive. So this chair cost about $650 with tax, and I added a few extras on here, which I'll talk about when I get it out of the box. So a little bit about the buying experience. I've had this chair that I have right now, which is a hot mess from Staples. I paid $150 for this chair, and I've got pretty good use out of it. I've had it for probably about 10 years, but it is very uncomfortable and has not held up. So I splurged a little bit and got a chair that hopefully I keep for the next 20 years. So we'll get it out of the box. I know nothing about these chairs. I just kind of did a little bit of research, and some of the Steel series, and there's a few other chairs that popped up, but this is the one that kind of stood out to me, and it was something I could afford. Some of these chairs cost up to $2,000. So we'll jump in. It took a couple weeks to get here, so I assume they build these chairs somewhat to order. They are located in Michigan, and I'm in Ohio, so it's shipped in about the exact day that they estimated it was going to ship at, and it only took a day and a half to get here just because the locations are so close. So let's jump in and see what's in the box. This is not my usual shooting. This is not my usual shooting setup. I kind of have things all jacked around right now because I upgraded my lighting system, but the light stand that I have is not big enough for it, so I kind of have to do things as I can. And I just put my summer tires and rims on my car, so it's been a fairly good day. And I'm pretty sure I opened this the wrong way. It doesn't tell you how to open it, but I'm pretty positive these chairs come mostly put together. And now that I'm starting to do this, I realize I probably should have done this in a completely different way because there's not a ton of room. Actually, it looks like it comes completely put together. So this looks to be it, guys. It actually looks like it came 100% assembled in the box, zero assembly required, and I'll talk a little bit about it once I get these boxes out of the way, just to kind of give you an idea. Actually, all right, so now that I got the chair out, it did come fully assembled, so that is something to take into account. So it's going to be a fairly large box. It actually barely fit through my door. But the first thing I noticed about it is it's a little bit smaller than I originally thought it was going to be. And this blue is a little bit lighter. I like the blue color just because it gives it a little bit of character, I believe. But you can get all kinds of different colors here. And I do like this mesh feel. From what I've read, it actually is fairly comfortable. I did get the adjustable arms, so the arms do up and down. So I did get that. I did not get the adjustable where the seat kind of comes out a little bit. So I just got your standard there. And there we go. So I assume it goes up and down fairly easily. I don't know anything about office chairs. I just know I needed a more comfortable one because, like everyone else, you're doing a little bit more from home. So I do like that it comes pre-built, already put together. And I like this mesh pattern here. Let's set it up and see what it's like. Ooh, that cushion is hard. Oh, there we go. So, seems to go up and down pretty easily, but this cushion is definitely a harder cushion than I was thinking it was actually going to be. And I have no idea if it swivels back. I actually don't think it actually came with any type of manual or anything. It did come with some packaging, but that was about it. So the arms feel nice. They're not really big, but they do have arms that aren't adjustable. So you do have that option if you want to save. I think it's $50 to get the adjustable arms. Oh, there we go. So this down here locks it, and this does it go back and forth. So in terms of the actual feel of the chair, it feels well built. I did go with just the standard carpet rollers here instead of the other ones. just because it'll probably always be on carpet. I don't anticipate, even if I had hardwood in here, I'd probably put some type of rug down for it. But it seems pretty well built, but this cushion is way harder than I thought it was going to be. I still think it's pretty comfortable, but it does have a little bit more. This one's a fairly soft. If we kind of pull over here a little bit. I do like that it's a smaller chair because this room is actually not very big, so I do like that it's a little bit smaller chair than that one because this room's not very small, and I like the blue, give it a little bit of character, and I like the gray. They have a white one too, but the wife vetoed that. She automatically did not want the white one, so we went with this one. Overall, pretty happy with it. Obviously, I will get a more lengthy review up. I do like this Y-shape design here. I feel like it's a little bit more modern than some of the more old, I call them lawyer type chairs. So it does have that good feel to it. The back seems very supportive, so you may think that this is a little bit flimsy or weak, but it does have a lot of support to it. And I like it's easy to adjust, so the adjustments down here are really easy. They have a nice feel to them, so that's really it. Pretty happy with it. They have excellent customer service from what I have read and heard, and it comes with a 12-year warranty, so it should be something that is backed and will last hopefully the rest of our lifetime. Sometimes office chairs, you can get 30 years out of them if you take care of them. The upholstery seems nice. It seems like it may have been like handmade or hand stitched on there just from the way it is, because it does have a few minor imperfections, which I don't necessarily would call them imperfections, but you can tell that it has kind of that handmade feel to it. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, took a couple weeks to get here after I ordered it, so that was something that I wasn't aware of. I actually thought these would ship a little quicker, but if they're making them, per order, and you can customize this, you can customize the arms. There's all kinds of different things you can do. So that's it. Yeah, so far pretty happy with it. This is very hard. That's one thing I would mention. If you're looking for something that's super, it almost feels like memory foam, some type of harder memory foam, which I kind of like. It does have a little bit of noise there, so I don't think that's going to matter. I assume that's from where you used to be able to adjust it. I think there's an adjustment to where you can add to where this pulls out, but it does have some noise there. But that's it, guys. I'll get a long-term review of this stuff as I go. So far, so good. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. Have a good rest of the weekend, guys, and I will see you guys next time.